subject to expiry.
In this week's Marketers Report, Patrizia Spagnoletto, Global Chief Marketing Officer.
And the bed heats up. You can do it how hot you want it. That plugs. Screens and windows. Got the top fan that sucks air in or blows air out. Storage on both sides inside. Two car batteries and 2 propane tanks. Automatic lift. Have a bike rack that fits in there. These back here will tell you how much you have left in propane, and then also your gray tank. It does have a 20-gallon water tank. It has a hose to hook to this for a shower. And you've got some phone jacks and quite a few plugs in the back too, and some storage up top.